Love working with the staff here at St. Mary's. We had a very detailed lean workshop that we worked with several different departments to come up with a wonderful plan that we're very proud of, and we reviewed the finishes with several people throughout the hospital. Yeah, we're very proud of this project.
And before we head to break, how great is this? St. Mary's Hospital just made a 9,000 square foot addition to its emergency room.
Now the goal is to increase capacity and improve the overall patient experience. It's pretty nice.
St. Mary's Hospital celebrating a new addition. Its emergency room has grown 9,000 feet, which allows for more patient and trauma rooms and for more patients to be taken care of. The ribbon cutting is from tonight from 5 to 8 at St. Mary's Hospital Emergency Room on Clayton Road.
And tonight we are taking you inside the new emergency room at St. Mary's Hospital. You're going to see what has changed and improved for those in need of any medical care.
I want to recognize a few folks here tonight. Our exceptional emergency department staff, led by Mary McBride and her team. They've been involved in every step of the design of the department, really assuring that we're connecting to our patients and how we serve our patients. So we want to thank them. Our design and construction team, Krishner and Enterprise Construction. I want to show appreciation for Jim Baker, the Senior Project Manager of SSM Health. So Mike Bowers, COO of our region. And last but not least, Kathy Roth, our former VP of Operations. Can't wait to share the space with you and the community. We're grateful for community leaders such as Jim Thompson here today, and we want to give him a chance to say a few words.
Thank you, Travis. Good evening, everybody. I'm glad to be here this evening. With me from the city of Richmond Heights, we have Major Miller and Captain and Chief Schaefer from our fire department, police department. We have a number of first responders here. Also, Jennifer Ridgway from our Chamber of Commerce will be up here helping to cut the ribbon, and a few of our residents are here. So I'm glad to be here. We're pleased to be here to celebrate the grand opening of the SSM St. Mary's Hospital Emergency Room. When you get those pesky kidney stones, this is the emergency room you want to come to. When those blood clots make you pass out and you have to be transported here, St. Mary's is the place to come. And when your gallbladder goes out and you get that big stomach pain, you want to come to St. Mary's Emergency Room. St. Mary's is one of the major landmarks in Richmond Heights. We are proud to be home of an award-winning, baby-friendly hospital. And now with the newly renovated emergency room, we look forward to hearing many more good things. The new facility looks terrific, and we know it'll be better help for our residents and many others. And let us always remember the healing power of presence. Thank you.
SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital in Richmond Heights is expanding. Fox News' Dan Gray is live at the hospital where a new emergency room is about to open up. Dan.
Yeah, we're outside the emergency room at SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital in Richmond Heights, where they did have, and they were inviting the public today to come in and take a tour, and the public did just that. There was a grand opening ceremony along with a ribbon cutting, several dignitaries on hand to celebrate the opening of the 9,000 square foot addition. The new ER increases the number of patient rooms from 38 to 50. There's additional space for triage, private rooms for behavioral health, and an addition of 2 resuscitation and trauma rooms. Plus, more staff will be added. The hospital president says there's a great need for emergency services in the community, and the new addition is designed to speed up wait times for patients in the ER.
It gets us to treat patients more quickly that comes in for earaches, colds, flus, getting those patients seen, and then our main ED, which will see patients that have higher acuity and higher needs.